Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find a bank transit number on TD Banking. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our tutorials. And now let's get into it. So as you can see right here, I have the official article from TD Banking. I'll leave you the link in the description down below. And as you can see here, it shows you how to do that, whether you have a check or you don't. So how do I find my transit number, institution number and account number? It tells you that identifying your account information is easy if you have a check. So you can see here we have an example of a check. On the left hand side you can see the check number, then comes the transit or branch number. Next to it is the financial institution number, designation number, and finally account number. If you don't have a check, then the easiest way to get your account information is from the pre-filled direct deposit form PDF. This form pre-fills with your account's 5-digit transit branch number, 3-digit financial institution number, which is 004, and 7-digit account number. To get your direct deposit information in EasyWeb, first you need to select the account you want direct deposit information form, and then select the Manage tab. After that, select the direct deposit form PDF link on the left side of the page. Adobe Reader must be installed to view this document, so make sure to download Adobe Reader. Safari users should also ensure that the pop-up blocker is disabled. Now, to get your direct deposit information in the TD app, first select the account you want the direct deposit information for. After that, select the Details tab, and next to that, select Direct Deposit information or info. And finally, for the fourth step is to select the Get Form button to access a filled PDF of your direct deposit information. And that should be it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and see you in the next one.